Take a ride in the 2019 Chevrolet Express 2500. The Chevrolet Express 2500 has soldiered on for nearly 4 decades, with only one major redesign happening during that time. A rolling testament to the if it ain't broke, don't fix it school of vehicle design. The Express offers a passenger van's timeless features of powerful engines and space, and even more space. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, hands-free communication, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, power door locks, power windows, MP3 playback stereo. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.